No, you're supposed to hit one note at a time.
Look at these guys.
Do you want to do this?
Because we want to see if
Oh.
a lower note makes them move more.
Okay. So high note first?
That'll be low and the small will be high. Yeah. Hit it harder. Yeah. Try that one again. And then try that one.
Ooh, they like that one.
Yeah, I think that one's also louder though.
You're like walking around on each other. Interesting.